Welcome back to Business Essentials, from A to Z with ABC Organizers Unlimited, where we specialize in providing practical and easy-to-implement solutions for entrepreneurs, specifically startups, small business owners, traditional retailers, and brick-and-mortar businesses. In today's video, we'll explore the topic of effective website management and learn how to optimize your online presence and ensure your website is a powerful tool for attracting and engaging customers. Step 1. Ensure responsive design. First and foremost, ensure your website has a responsive design that adapts seamlessly to various devices and screen sizes. A mobile-friendly website is essential for providing a positive user experience and improving your search engine rankings. Step 2. Optimize loading speed. Optimize your website's loading speed to minimize bounce rates and improve user satisfaction. Compress images, enable browser caching, and minimize server response times to ensure your website loads quickly and efficiently. Step 3. Streamline navigation. Streamline your website's navigation to make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Use clear and intuitive menus, incorporate breadcrumbs for hierarchical navigation, and create a sitemap for search engine optimization. Step 4. Create engaging content. Focus on creating engaging and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or multimedia content, aim to provide information that educates, entertains, or inspires your visitors. Step 5. Implement SEO best practices. Implement SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Conduct keyword research, optimize meta tags and headings, and create high-quality backlinks to increase organic traffic. Subscribe to our newsletter for a printout of today's insights or learn more about partnering with us. You can find both links in the description below. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.